Hello friends, here on this video how you can remove your RAMs on from CPU. And friends, sometimes some people used to push just pull out like without thinking that it can be broken. So that's why by watching videos you can understand how to remove RAM. And if you want to need to clean your CPU or RAM, then you can watch this video till end. And friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first friends, here if you don't know, then you just need to press this one on the external side, and these two same thing, press on the external side. Okay, look here. And friends, when you are pressing this button, please do not do with your nail, you have to press with your thumb. Okay, with the thumb. So just press with the thumb like this. After that, your RAM will opens easily by just pressing on it. Look at this. Okay, so you can even clean up your RAM by removing it. Look here, I can clean up this, and the another one also the same thing. Right now you can clean up. Okay, so friends, how do you like this video? And if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, if you don't know how to insert, you just need to check this one on the gap to gap, you have to insert it. Don't forget. Okay, you have to check nicely this gap one on the line, you have to insert it and just press on it. After press on it, just press on the corner and it will lock by itself. Even on this side also the same thing with the another one. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.